Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back, and today we have another model aircraft unboxing. So I thought this model looked really cool. I've seen a couple videos of this on YouTube landing at Los Angeles airport, and I love the livery, so I decided to pick this up. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox it and take a look. So I got this off of eBay for about $27 including shipping, so it's a pretty good deal for this. There we go. Alright, there it is. So this is my second Herpa model. I just got the Lufthansa 747-8 a couple days ago in the mail, and now I have this one, so it looks really nice. So of course it says Qantas 747-400, scale 1 to 500. There's the Herpa logo. There's the side. The top, there's the plane right there, and on the back it gives some of the specifications, and you guys can pause if you want to, but we're going to go ahead and get right into the unboxing. There we go. Alright, there we go. Okay, so let's go and get the box out of the way here. And let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, so up front you see we have the cockpit windows, and right next to it, that small text right there, I think it says Lord Howe Island. I could be wrong though, but that's what I could see. And then right under that it says Long Reach, as this was the Long Reach aircraft for Qantas. We have the front gear, and then right next to the Qantas titles, of course, we have the boxing Kangaroo, and then we have the Qantas titles with the Spirit of the Australian team right there, which is different than the normal aircraft, of course. Then we have the engines, which have pretty good detail, and the wings have really nice detail as well. Of course, back here we have the registration with the Australian flag, and the Qantas tail with the Kangaroo having some boxing gloves on it, which is pretty cool. And then on the bottom, it just says Herpa, and the landing gear actually does roll on this, which I thought was a really nice touch. So yeah, this is a great addition to the collection. I love the look of this model, and I'm happy to have it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Take care, and I'll see you later.